Vaile, chocolate butter, everybody on pizza, gang, gang. And you know, I'm doing a little vloggy vlog. I already said I was gonna be dropping one today. So, hey y'all see my pregnant belly, y'all. I had just get out the shower. I was gonna do get ready with me, but I ain't feel like it. My phone was charging, so. But yeah, this is my look for today. You feel me? Got the cute little shoes on, you feel me? I'm just waiting for my mom to come so we can, let me tell you what we're doing today. So we are going to get the tag for my car. Woo-woo. And hopefully Walmart opens up around the time we're done getting the tag, so I can go to Walmart and get some stuff for my car, because I do not feel like waiting, baby. You know, and of course I'm going to be vlogging that, because why not? You know, I'm vlogging what I'm putting in my car. That girl got the lashes. I slept in my lashes, y'all. They still looking pretty nice. You know, pregnancies. But no. But yeah, so I need a bigger shirt, god damn it. Y'all might see me in a different shirt because this shirt kind of whittle. But yeah, so you know, hopefully this vlog go right, you feel me? Hopefully, you know, I will be vlogging as coming from and everything. So you know. Peace out, bitch. So y'all, I'm here waiting in line. I guess they open up at 8, so waiting in line to get my tag for my car. So yeah, I would have recorded me getting here, but I had to follow my mom, so. But yeah, I'm third in line. So you'll see what this gets me. So yeah, get into it. Yeah. I'll be back. So you're back, y'all. Your girl got her tag. If you can see it in the back, it's back there somewhere. Cause I have to wait to get home to put it on and shit. Look, I'll wait it right there. But yeah, we at Wally World, yes sir. So let me put this in here. Nobody try to, damn, can you even fit it in? Okay, I had to put my paperwork up. But yeah, your girl is at Walmart. I would definitely be getting some stuff for the car. So yeah, get some stuff for my car. Oh shit, some little cute little stuff. Oh fuck my life, y'all. This damn key be fucking up, y'all. I feel like the thing is jammed, but I will be back once I get in here and get by the stairs out. I'm definitely lost. And yeah, your girl is definitely lost. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, I'm lost. I don't know how you get lost in Walmart, but don't know how you get lost in Walmart. You feel me? Sorry, it's kind of simple. You go where the stuff is. Yeah. I'm looking at these cameras, y'all. And these cameras, you know, your girl might be trying to get her a camera so she can record properly for y'all. But girl, I need my damn car accessories. So, it's the dang on car accessories. The dang on car accessories. I'm literally finna be walking around because I don't know where the hell the car accessories are. I might have to go to the one by my house. I'm at the Walmart by my boyfriend's house. But I might have to go to the one by my house because you know, I don't know what the hell. Shit. So, fuck it, look at that. Anyway. Huh? Video girl, I thought this was finna talk shit. Thought they was finna talk shit, girl. But, yeah. God damn, I look bald. I look bald on the side. What the fuck? I am back in the goddamn beginning where I started. I don't know where I'm finna go to the one by my house. Cause I'm at the Walmart in my boyfriend's house. Yeah, I'll be back when I find this shit. Okay, I found some stuff. Like 2 things actually. And I'm so sorry I had to put my mask on. I'm so sorry to get, I'm so scared to get the stuff because like I don't want to get it and then I go to another Walmart and find something completely better. So I mean, I keep circling around in this area because I'm so scared. I'm gonna find something better than what I got. So, all I need is some seat covers because I got a license plate thing and this. So, let's hope. I'm really hoping this ain't all they got, but I feel like it is. But I might just go to the one by my house and check what they have. And then if I like what they have better, I would just come and bring this stuff back. Because I don't have time to be buying shit that I ain't gonna use. So when I get to the other Walmart by my, oh shit, yeah, I almost broke it. When I get to the other Walmart by my house, I would definitely get back to y'all. Oh yeah, I pray to God. All I need is some seat covers. Like, and if I can't find no seat covers there, I would definitely be coming back here because they do got some cute seat covers. But I kind of wanted everything to match, which is why I should have probably went on Amazon because they got better stuff. So that's what I might do if I don't like anything. So yeah. See ya. So Walmart number 2. Yay. Y'all, I really hope they shit trash because if I bought that, all I would have to do is get seat covers. But if they stuff is better than the one I bought, I'm bringing it back. Period. 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 Walmart number 2. See y'all guys later. I'm mad because the one I actually wanted, like the first, they got it. And I'm mad because, like, what the hell? So now all I need, honestly, is the damn seat covers. My car got my headrest. So now, y'all, all I'm looking for is the damn, seat covering. Like, and all of these got the freaking seat covers with the damn steering wheel cover. So yeah, I'll be back. So y'all, I got almost everything. What I need, honestly, is an armrest cover, which apparently they don't have, because as y'all can see, this is okay. I just need an armrest cover and that's it, and then I will be okay. I'll be fine. But they ain't got it, so I don't know what to do. I honestly don't know what to do. I might get some LED lights. I'm not sure. So I will basically put everything in and show y'all what it shit looking like. I gotta find everything first. So I just want an armrest cover, you know. I'll see y'all later. So y'all, I got everything except the freaking armrest, and it's because I got an old car, like I got a 2003 car. So it's gonna be difficult for me to find an I'm sorry y'all, I'm doing all this extra. It's gonna, you know, got this type of armrest. So, you know, Walmart don't even got armrest covers, period. They just, so, you know, I got jumper cables, booster cables. I got LED lights, LED lights. You know, I got two steering wheels, actually. If y'all can see, I got all this goddamn stuff. I got a pink one and a black one. I was looking for the furry one, but you know, the other Walmart didn't have it, so I got the furry one. I had to, did she put it in here? What the heck is this? Oh, this is the little thing. So I went, like, if I'm ever recording a video on the car, I could put it up on the thing. Y'all, this came up to $131. I got the seat covers. Yeah, I'm trying to see if she put my dang on. Okay, yeah, okay. She put the seatbelt thing in here. I just got a lot of stuff, y'all. So next time I will be shopping, I need to, okay, so what else I gotta get is definitely some like mini trash cans to like put up here, so I won't be just throwing my trash in the cup holder and everything. Let me see. What else I gotta get? I got some air fresheners. I think that's about it. You feel me? Everything that I need, you know. So, but not everything. Like I said, I'm looking for the armrest. Amazon had some stuff, but the way my car is, the armrest wouldn't have covered it. So I'm kind of glad I didn't buy nothing from Amazon, because that armrest cover wouldn't fit this. Wouldn't have fit my shit. So yeah, this is gonna be like 5 parts. Y'all gonna be the second Walmart I went to. I'm not going to no other Walmart, because apparently no Walmart sells these type of armrest covers. So I would definitely have to buy one from online, from Amazon. Definitely going to buy, I already got a thing in here, a little plug, like I said, the trash cans and armrest covers. That's it. I got a license plate, like I already showed y'all, I think, for my license plate, for my license, for my tag, my tag. So yeah. Yeah, y'all, so your girl got her first car. Oh, dang. I was looking for the thing that goes up here. Dang, y'all. Definitely gonna have to buy that from Amazon as well, because I'm not going back in Walmart. I'm gonna definitely lie. So yeah, so I will get home so I can put this stuff on for y'all so y'all can see how my car turning out. I wish I would do this at nighttime so y'all can see the LED lights, but I think the LED lights will still be able to show. So you feel me? So let me go ahead and get going, and I will definitely be back with y'all when I get home. So y'all, I got everything except the freaking armrest, and it's because I got an old car, like I got a 2003 car. So it's gonna be difficult for me to find an arm. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm doing all this extra. It's gonna, you know, got this type of armrest. So, you know, Walmart don't even got armrest covers, period. They just, so, you know, I got jumper cables, booster cables. I got LED lights, LED lights. You know, I got two steering wheels, actually. If y'all can see, I got all this goddamn stuff. I got a pink one and a black one. I was looking for the furry one, but you know, the other Walmart didn't have it, so I got the furry one. I had to. Did she put it in here? What the heck is this? Oh, this is the little thing. So when, like, if I'm ever recording a video on the car, I could put it up on the thing. Y'all, this came up to $131. I got the seat covers. Yeah, I'm trying to see if she put my dang on. Okay, yeah, okay. She put the seatbelt thing in here. I just got a lot of stuff, y'all. So next time I will be shopping, I need to, okay, so what else I gotta get is it's definitely some like mini trash cans to like put up here, so I won't be just throwing my trash in the cup holder and everything. Let me see. What else I gotta get? I got some air fresheners. I think that's about it. You feel me? Everything that I need. You know, so. But not everything. Like I said, I'm looking for the armrest. Amazon has some stuff. But the way my car is, the armrest wouldn't have covered it. So I'm kind of glad I didn't buy nothing from Amazon, because that armrest cover wouldn't fit this. Wouldn't have fit my shit. So yeah, this is gonna be like 5 parts. Y'all gonna be the second Walmart I went to. I'm not going to no other Walmart, because apparently no Walmart sells these type of armrest covers. So I would definitely have to buy one from online, from Amazon. I'm definitely going to buy. Definitely is going to buy. I already got a thing in here, a little plug. Like I said, the trash cans and armrest covers. That's it. I got a license plate, like I already showed y'all, I think, for my license plate, for my license, for my tag, my tag. So yeah. Yeah, y'all, so your girl got her first car. Oh, dang. I was looking for the thing that goes up here. Dang, y'all. Definitely gonna have to buy that from Amazon as well, because I'm not going back in Walmart. I'm gonna definitely lie. So yeah, so I will get home so I can put this stuff on for y'all so y'all can see how my car turning out. I wish I would do this at nighttime so y'all can see the LED lights, but I think the LED lights will still be able to show. So you feel me? So let me go ahead and get going, and I will definitely be back with y'all when I get home. So see y'all, I'm at Chick-fil-A. Give me and my family some food, me and my mom, my grandma. And y'all, I'm acting like I didn't just spend like $131 on car accessories. And I'm spending money like it ain't nothing. Like, I just got my hair done, my nails done. So I'm spending money like it's like money go on trees, baby. Like, I was wondering, so. How you doing? Yes. Yeah. So, I just had to let y'all know that little update. Why is this like looking like this? Thank one, you too. I said thank one. So, but yeah, so I was just giving y'all a little update where I'm at. Cause your girl, I just spent $131 on some damn cord accessories. Like, I must be the dumbest person on earth. This is why I need a little mini trash can. Cause girl, I got trash everywhere. Oh, ow! I almost dropped my phone. I got trash everywhere. And I'm acting like I'm not finna have a baby. Like I'm not about to have a freaking child. Like I don't have a child on the way. Like I'm just spending money like money going on trees, baby. This is why I need the freaking trash can. I got this. I got the gum wrapper, the gum packet that I took out of the damn. Like, y'all, it's too much. They don't have the damn chicken salad anymore. Like, bro, that chicken salad was booming. It was booming. So, y'all stay tuned. Because I would definitely be giving, like, a little part 2 to show y'all, you know, when I get the trash can. And I had to actually go buy the armrest covers, I think, from eBay. Or from somewhere else. Hopefully they have it, or I might just not get one, period, because the ones that I seen, so I'm sorry y'all, this is like an ugly angle, but I had to go take the food in there right quick, you know, get everything. And so I'm gonna put this, well, let me do the seatbelt thing. What? Let me do the seatbelt first. Did it fall out the bed? So, not that. That is definitely not it. So, did it fall out the bed? So, I might have to go to something else. Because that's the thing I want to do them first. Okay, whatever. We're gonna do. Damn, that was kind of easy to take off. It look like it's gonna fit. This is what it is, the steel wear cover. So y'all done this before, so god damn it. So you gotta put it on like one thing at a time. Okay, I'm putting it on kind of quick. God damn. That's how you know I've done this before. It said it should fit. So why is it not fitting? Y'all, I will be back when I get this shit on. Bye. Y'all, countless tries of almost breaking my dang fingers, I got the steering wheel. Y'all don't understand how hard that was for me. I think that was hard. That was hard. Like, I almost broke my nail. Look at this. Got fur all over me trying to put this seat cover on. Okay. So we got the, not the seat cover, but this. I'm gonna put this in the, right here in the little glove compartment. It's not gonna close. Okay, that's fine. That's cute. Can I put it right here then? That's not gonna close either. That's cute. That's real cute. So I guess we just gonna have to leave this like here and here. Got my license plate here. Yeah, I literally almost broke my fingers. License plate. We're gonna put all the trash in this little Walmart bag. Let me get the trash out of here. That's my mask. I did this little compartment here. Oops, sorry y'all. This is why I need the little stand. The hell is this? Oh, little Febreze, little refresh. The jumper cables can go in the trunk. I'm just trying to make sure like I got everything, y'all. This is the seat covers. Y'all, what the heck? Y'all, hold on. Wow, okay. And I got this. Let's hope it's not as hard to put on. What the hell? Okay. This kind of... Okay, there we go. So, got this. Now, we're gonna put the seat cover on. Gonna put the seat cover on. Let me back up. Okay. Got the seat cover. I had to turn on the car, y'all, because it was getting mighty hot up in here from me can't dang on putting the dang on seat thing, y'all. Like when I tell y'all, I almost literally broke my nails trying to do that shit. Like that was not no joke. Like put it on. Oh snap! I just hit the box. Put it on. Them things is not easy. What the hell does this come with? Universal, okay, fit front seat covers, 1 air freshener. Yeah, this came with a steering wheel cover. Stupid ass shit. Came with a freaking wheel cover. What is this? This is the little thing to put in my vent for my phone. So we're gonna put that shit right there. Oh, there's some trash in here. Oh, the trash bag. It's the trash bag. I have for the trash. No, this. What does it smell like? I can't smell it. We're gonna put that in there. Oh shit. Shoot. We're gonna put that in here. It came with a freaking thing. But I don't like. Yeah, I know. The only reason I got this is because it's black. The other ones, like the other one was pink. But I feel like this, like with this steering wheel, will also, this steering wheel cover, it will also go with this. So that's why I got this. You know, I like the colors. It came with a freaking steering wheel cover. I mean, these are nice. Well, these are nice, but I prefer, you know, you know, fur. So this is my first car. So y'all, this is what the seat cover look. The seat cover look like. Yeah. I'm guessing so I gotta get out the car, y'all. I hope y'all can see me. Yeah, I'm finna put this on the seat. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't think that's how it goes. I think this. Yeah, I don't goddamn know at this goddamn point. Okay. I'm having a hard time figuring out where the hell this goes. Oh, no, I think I got it. Nope, don't got it. I lied. Cause is it, what the hell? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Miss Mamas. I'm trying to figure out which way to. Like, imagine me sitting down, right? So I was right. This supposed to. It said fit seats with and without headrest. Baby, and I got a headrest. So where's really the tea? Does this? Oh, I feel pretty dumb. Okay, I feel pretty dumb. I think this is the way it goes. Hopefully I'm putting this on right. I'm thinking this how it go. But see, they don't feel right. They have instructions. So I got two. They don't come with instructions. Oh, okay. Okay, it says place seat cover over the top of the huh? Hold on, y'all. I'll be back when I figure this out, baby. So, y'all, it took me forever to put them damn seats on because they look raggedy. I'm sorry, but this is as close as I'm gonna get. So, yeah. But this is them. You feel me? Got the trash in there. Sorry. So, hey, it's as good as gonna get for me. So. Oh, okay. So we got LED lights. Let me close this door. I'm gonna be my damn business. LED lights, LED lights. It says a custom person. Change brightness. This is where I feel like most of my money went. Most definitely. This is definitely where most of my money went. Most definitely, I can say. Because LED lights ain't cheap, baby. And the dang what is that thing called? The jumper cables. Yeah, I should have went to AutoZone for that. for the jumper cables because they're bad. Y'all see my pregnant belly? Doing all this and pregnant, girl. Doing all this and pregnant. I hope, like, when I have my son, I won't have to, like, you know, take out the LED lights because, ooh. So, I think you can do, well, I think, oh, wait a minute. Hold on, it's hot in here. I gotta open my door. I'm ready to eat, y'all. Foam wirelessly, easy to install. Choose up from 1,000 different colors. Am I tripping? What the fuck? I hope they don't expect me to connect this to, okay, it's a lot. It's a lot in here. It's like 4 things. Okay, because I know the 4 things is like for the front, back. For the front and the back. Okay, so until I know what I need, I'm not throwing away nothing. Definitely don't need this. Which one is the instructions? Oh, hell no. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, I don't think I need this right now until I install them. So let me see. Yo, this is a whole pamphlet. It's a whole map. Oh, and it's front and big. So this is kind of wasting my time buying this. And it's like I have to keep it because I opened it and shit. So, what I'm getting from this is that these, I think these are extra ones, if I'm not mistaken. Because these could go into this. Oh, shit. Yeah, so I think these are, and I guess whenever they die, you can take them, yeah, you can take them off. I think, because I don't know what this is. So, I will be back with an update soon, hopefully. Because I definitely gotta go get something to eat, and I got go eat my food. And I definitely don't know how to do this, and I don't want to mess up my car. So, like, see, like, what? Okay. So, this connect, okay. How many things has got on it? 4? 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm seeing is 3. Oh, 4. Well, wait, no. That's just 3. Oh, these are, wait a minute. All I'm seeing is 2. All I'm seeing is 2. Okay, so I would definitely have to look it up. So, y'all, I would definitely be back with an update. So, y'all, pray for me. Y'all, 15 years later, I got on working, bitch. Is that one coming off? Okay, that one coming off. As y'all can see in the big, I'm sorry, my shit is steam. But, you feel me? Your girl got on working. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Do you feel me? I don't think y'all feel me. Your girl got her LED light working. Now that's all left for me to do. I just turned them off. Turn my car off. Can they still? Oh, bitch, they can still turn on without the car being on, baby. That's fine with me. That is fine with me. I just need, this adhesive kind of suck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But, hey, it is what it is. It's hot in this car. I'm ready to freaking eat. But yeah, I got it working. This is trash. It's been sitting here for a while. These gushes. So y'all, I got my cord set up somewhat to, you know, my liking. Somewhat to my liking. You feel me? And that's all I can ask for. You know, if the damn LED lights come off, I'm gonna cry. But it's gonna be alright because we're gonna toughen it out. We're gonna toughen it out, baby. We're just going to toughen it out. I swear I just had, what the heck is this? See, I don't know what this is, so we just gonna say that because I don't know what the hell that is. But yeah, we got ourselves situated, y'all. Got the car seat. I mean, not the car seat. Got the LED. Got the dang the fur. The cover seats, the LED lights. All is left is my license plate, and then I'll be set for greatness. Y'all, that was hard work though. Like, no, seriously. Like, I almost like wanted to cry because that was taking, like, the man that I was watching do the stinking video, he was no help at all. Like, he was literally no freaking help. Like, he, you know, I think well, that was my fault because I did kind of skip the video. But everything looks mounted enough. Okay. So I mean, we can really do this right now. Just like, well, I just want to, you know, see what it's like. Cause when I be like having to look up where I'm going and stuff, I don't want to be holding my phone, girl. Like, girl, please. So this last item that I bought, and this can be, it says dash and windshield, so I put on my windshield on my dash. But the last thing I honestly gonna need to do is just wash this car, because this car do need to be goddamn washed. So that's really it for on my agenda for today. I'm not gonna record me washing the car because there's just no need. You feel me? You know, I'm gonna edit this video best to my ability because your girl has been wilding. Oh, oh, this look easy, girl. Oh shit. Oh, I didn't even know you could do that. Okay, this look pretty easy. But that's dumb. Well, I'm not gonna take the sticker off yet until I like actually need it. So this is what the thing looks like. I just wanted to show y'all before you know, of course I will have to read the instructions because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, so you know, your girl got her car set up, and I'm really proud of myself because I did not think that, you know, that it would go the way I wanted it to. I don't know how this is in this goddamn box, but we finna put it in there the way I'm gonna put it in there. So yeah, you feel me? This is my first car that's in my name. Oh girl. Well, I don't know where I'm gonna put this because it can't fit in my damn thing. So yeah, I'm just very proud of myself that I got my first car by myself. Well, not by myself, but you know, of course with help. My boss, we're gonna put this down there until I need it. My boss actually gave me this car, so I for her heavy. So I appreciate that so Y'all, this is the end of this video, y'all, because I'm ready to go eat. And like I said, I'm gonna come out here and try to get this car cleaned up. You feel me? So y'all, that's what we're doing. Oh, I love it so much. I've been wanting a first thing or nothing. So, you know, that's the end of this video. You know, like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. You know, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your uncle, tell your aunties, tell your nieces, tell your nephews, tell your cousins about me. And who is me? Candy Kayla, baby. And that is the end of this video. Deuces.